Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showing you a quick video on how you can easily create a t-shirt design and print it using sublimation printing in under 3 minutes. First, create the text that you wanted to use.
If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button to get updated on our latest and upcoming videos. Export your image. Now head down to Google and search for Adobe Firefly. Next, scroll down to get to the text-to-image generator. In the text-to-image prompt, type in the keywords and elements you want to include in your image. Upload the image of the text that you created. Now set your structure, style, and effect settings from the left side of the window. And hit Generate. And there you have it. Your text has now been transformed based on your keyword elements and settings. Now let's head to place it on your t-shirt using sublimation printing. First, print it on your sublimation paper using your sublimation printer. Using a lint remover, clean your shirt and remove excess strings or dirt. Insert a cardboard in between your shirt to avoid ink bleeding. Set your heat press to 385 degrees for 40 seconds. Preheat your shirt for 5 seconds. Now align your printed image face down onto the fabric and top it off with a butcher paper. Apply your heat press into your design. Wait for it to cool down after applying the heat press. Now your text-to-image design is now printed on your shirt.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates on our upcoming videos.